Sorting data allows us to reorganize the data, in ascending or descending order, with respect to a specific variable. Some procedures in SPSS require that data be sorted in a certain way, before the procedure will execute. There are two options for sorting data: sort cases or row sort, and sort variables or column sort. This video covers how to perform each sorting option in SPSS. Sorting cases will rearrange the rows based on a given variable, or some variables. The values for the selected variables can be sorted in ascending or descending order, respectively from smallest to largest, or alphabetical, and from largest to smallest, or reverse alphabetical. In the data view, we can quickly sort data with respect to a single variable. For example, let's sorting variable IDs. Right-click the target variable name, and selecting Sort Ascending, the data of this variable will be sorted from lowest to highest value. Or we can select Sort Descending, to sort variable IDs from highest to lowest value. If we want to sort data with respect to two or more variables, or if we want to have the sorted data written to a new file, we'll use the sort cases procedure as follows. Click Data on the menu, then click Sort Cases. Now double-click on the variable or variables we want to sort data by, to move them to the Sort By box. If we are sorting by two or more variables, then the order that the variables appear in the Sort By list matters. We can click and drag the variables to reorder them within the Sort By box. In the Sort Order area, we can choose an ascending or descending sort order for each variable in the Sort By list. Click on the variable in the Sort By box to highlight it, then click the radio button that corresponds to the sort order choice. In this example, the data will first be sorted by class rank in ascending order, and will then be sorted by birthdates in descending order. That is, the birthdates will be sorted within each category of class rank. Notice that an A appears to the right of variables that will be sorted in ascending order, and a D appears to the right of variables that will be sorted in descending order. If we wish to save our newly sorted data to a new file, check the box of Save File with Sorted Data in the Save Sorted Data area. Then click File to specify a name and location for the new dataset file. When finished, click OK. We can check if our cases were sorted correctly by visually inspecting the data in Data View. In this example, cases have been sorted according to class rank, and then sorted by most to least recent birth date. Note that SPSS considers missing values the smallest value, so they will appear first if sorting in ascending order, and will appear last if sorting in descending order. Sorting variables will rearrange the order of the variables or columns in the data. To sort variables, click Data on the menu, then click Sort Variables. The Variable View columns list includes the attributes of variables that may be used to sort variables, including name, type, width, etc. Select an attribute by clicking it in the list, which will highlight our selection. Note that we can only select one variable attribute. In this example, variable name has been selected, which means that variables will be sorted according to their names. In the Sort Order area, variables can be sorted in ascending or descending order. Click the radio button as we want. In this example, variables will be sorted in ascending order. We may also choose to save the current pre-sorted variable order in a new attribute, by selecting the Attribute Name checkbox, and typing a name into the text field. Custom attributes are simply user-defined characteristics of variables, that can be used to sort variables. Now our variables will be sorted according to the attribute selected. In this example, the variables are sorted in ascending order according to their names. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments, these will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.